We gotta talk. Somebody put their Fisker Ocean on Cars and Bids, and after a couple days, it does not meet reserve, and it bids at 21 grand, and they did not want to sell it. Everybody in the comments is like, are you kidding me? Second thing, the cheapest Fisker Ocean right now on cars.com and anywhere is under $20,000. It's 19 grand. And there are several that are at $20,000 or right at that margin that have no miles, like literally brand new cars. Looks like this car is in Seattle, Washington. It's under $20,000 with 5,700 miles. I literally can't believe that. All right, 3 days ago, this article came out and they officially are selling to American Lease, which is a company that leases their vehicles in New York and surrounding states. They're selling like 3,000 of their fleet. It's just posted on Reddit like as a brand new account saying, hey, like we're the ones taking over and we're gonna help with like part availability and like tax. And crazy is this deal with American Lease, they still have to keep paying the remaining employees and the ones that are doing the software updates and facilitating the recalls and doing maintenance and repairs on the vehicle. So some of the money is just going to that. It's not even going back to their secured lender. So these are maybe other leasing companies will buy them to use them for rideshare, but this is the time, I think.